everyone, and welcome back to another review with Misty Vapor. We're going to talk about a newer company. They are newer to me. Very, very cool guys. I've talked several times with Kent as well as with Paul from Equilibrium. And today we're going to discuss their cloud line. You can find Equilibrium at equilibrium-vapor with an OR.com. And we're gonna vape some of this juice on my Hot Mist box with the Dark Horse. First up, let's do some Dream Cream. This is 4.5 milligrams. Their Dream Cream, all of their flavors come in the 4.5 when it comes to the drip series. So everything is 4.5 Nick. First, I'm going to give you an idea of what I taste in this juice and my opinion of it, and then I will give you the description that they give. Now, mind you, I've had these bottles for a while, which means they're steeped. The colors are a lot darker than they were before. They've been hiding away in a drawer. I got really sick for a while, so I have steeped the heck out of this juice. On first inhale, the first thing I tasted was a really great blueberry flavor. Probably one of the greater blueberries that I've had. It doesn't have that tanginess to it. It's a really, really good blueberry. I'm picking up a little bit of like French vanilla. It doesn't really taste like a pastry or anything. Like it's a really unique flavor, really good flavor. And on the back end, I'm getting like a light sweet raspberry. Excuse me. So definitely a number one on my Misty scale of yumminess. This is definitely a really, really great juice. This is something I would go to them and I would buy. If you're a blueberry fan and you like that vanilla, French vanilla taste, definitely go check out this juice. So for their description for Dream Cream, a dreamy blend of blueberries, marshmallows. See, I didn't really get a lot of the marshmallow taste. French vanilla and a hint of sweet raspberry. So I was close as far as description. I missed the marshmallows, but I give you guys what I taste, and I don't pick up the marshmallow. I get a lot of that blueberry and that French vanilla comes through, and then on the exhale I do get that light sweet raspberry. It's not like most raspberries that I've tried. A lot of them have that, like a little bit of that harshness. This does not. So we're going to move on to our next flavor. And all of this is, forgot to tell you guys, I want to say, yep, at the bottom it says it's 10 PG, 90 VG. So it is definitely the Cloud series. Definitely blows pretty darn good clouds to me. There's that dry hit. All right. Our next one up we're going to do is called Fuji Cobbler, also 4.5 nicotine. Oh, wow. Okay, let's see if we can. That's Fuji Cobbler, and it is also a 9010. Okay, to me, a Fuji cobbler tastes like I just took a bite of warm apple pie with whipped cream on top. A really good flavor. And I am not that big of an apple pie fan. This flavor, it's just nice. The apple tastes really good. It tastes real. It doesn't taste like an imitation or um, like a fake apple flavor. It tastes like a real apple pie flavor or cobbler, however you want to say it. Cobblers are just different because it's open on top with the little strips. It to me, it tastes like I just took a bite of warm apple pie, apple cobbler with a scoop of whipped cream on top. The cream is nice and light. It's not a heavy cream, and it is just a really, really great flavor. Now, I will say this. I've tried this juice when I first got it, and in my opinion, it definitely needed to steep. It is really, really good flavor now. But when I first got it, it wasn't like my favorite. So if you do pick up a bottle of this, put it away for a week or so, or however you want to steep it. I just put stuff away from now on and just let it steep. Let the color come through because the flavors, they come out more and they blend together better. And it is just a really, really great juice. I would also give them, this would be in one of my top ones after steeping, of course. So their description is warm apple pie. See, they even say it's a pie, so that works. Says warm apple pie with a French vanilla bean ice cream topped with whipped cream. I wonder if, let me see something. I'm definitely getting the whipped cream. I don't get a whole lot of that French vanilla taste. I don't eat French vanilla bean ice cream, so I normally eat like other flavors, Rocky Road and stuff like that. But I definitely get the warm apple pie with the whipped cream. So I'm glad I called it a pie because even though they call it Fuji Cobbler, it's still a pie. Okay, moving right along, we have one more flavor. All right, burnt that flavor off. And our last one, as you see, I got into this one, you guys. Seriously got into it. But I have not tried these in a while. Like I said, I got really sick and I wasn't able to taste my vape. So they were sweethearts and sent me juice from another line that I call my medicine because it's a cooling vape. We will go into that on another review. First thing, very pronounced, is a kiwi followed by a strawberry flavor. And it's really creamy, custardy, a really, really great flavor. Like I said, I've already vaped over half the bottle before I got sick. Excuse me. They describe it as an awesome fusion of strawberries and kiwi topped with vanilla custard. What they say their juice is, it definitely is. Like I said, I missed a couple flavors in my description of what I taste, but you may taste all the flavors or you may not taste one of the ones I taste but then taste the other. You never know. So that concludes the Cloud series from Equilibrium. Remember, the Cloud series is only sold in 4.5 milligram, and you can find them at equilibrium-vapor with an OR.com. And I'm Misty Vapor saying vape on, vape strong.